Hey everyone, I'm Waco Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Waco stands for When You Get Old. I'm 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious, what the heck comes in a box that big from Fab Fit Fun, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. OMG, give me a moment, let me unbox this, see what's inside, and then, yeah. Did I get a few extras? I did, but nothing that should warrant a box this big. Oh, it just came back to me. I didn't know they would send it in the same box. So I picked up, for the first time ever, one of those mystery boxes. And I think I will do a separate video. I didn't know what would come in here. All right, let me take everything out and yeah, we'll start over. All right, so here is the summer box. Still, it's big and heavy. If anyone's new to what Fab Fit Fun is, it is a quarterly or 4 times a year lifestyle subscription box where you can get beauty products, hair care products, kitchen products, you name it. Basically anything women would love and enjoy, although you men would love it as well. It is $55. It just recently went up. If you pay annually, there are some benefits. You get to select all of your products and you get your box sooner and you get to make your selections sooner. Do I remember what I selected? No. Did I take screenshots? Yes, I did. All right, so in editing, I will post something up to see what was available. You can also pick up, I don't know if you call them add-ons, like if they have 6 items in choice 1 and there's 2 you really want, you can buy the other item because you only pick 1 per choice at a discounted price. It's usually like choice 1 and 2 are like $15. By the time you get to choice 5 and 6, it drops to like $7. I think I picked up a couple of those. All right, let's start with the first item that was outside of the big box, which is this guy here from Elemis, and it is the Pro-Collagen Night Cream. It is 30 ml, and I have a collection of products from Elemis. At some point in time, I'm going to do a video series where I only use products from Elemis and give in-depth reviews of the products. This is what it looks like. It's very soft, goes into the skin. It has a subtle scent. I don't want to say peppermint, but I'm picking up not super strong, but some form of menthol or mint maybe. Don't quote me on that. I'm going with not obnoxious. All right, let's dive into the big purple box and see what else I got. And by the way, I do not remember if that Elemis was an extra or actually something I selected. All right, I took everything out, put it in front of me. I saw some of the items and it's all coming back to me. I now remember when I did my selections, I wasn't super ecstatic about some of the categories. I ended up going with a lot more lifestyle, home decor, kitchen type products than skincare and makeup, just because there wasn't a lot that intrigued me or that I was excited about. All right, first item is whatever's in this box. This is from Material, and it's stacking canisters, a set of 2 with lids. All right, so here's what they look like. They do have some weight to them. The glass is quite thick. This is bamboo. If you heard, there is a good section, so you could store candy, pasta, makeup, cotton ball, whatever your heart's desire is. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use these for yet, but I'm excited to have them in my life. All right, next item. We have another box. This here is from Dunn, and it is the Artisan Collection of Guac and Salsa bowls with spoons. All right, so these are nesting. You got a little baby one. You got the larger one. I don't know about you, but my guac could be the same size as my salsa. I love making guacamole. Yum. And now I'm hungry and really craving Mexican food. Thanks, Fabfitfun. Here are the 2 little spoons. I don't know that I would actually use them, but they're very cute. All right, next item is this product here, which is from Draper James and is a woven tray, which is 15 inches by 10 inches. Here it is out of the plastic. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. Probably to just put makeup or other items that I want to try next. I don't know. I could put my empties in here. The handles are nice, but I think products might slide out. Maybe I'll put it in my kitchen. I don't know. Again, wasn't a lot to choose from. This looked lovely, and that's what I selected. All right, next item. What is this? At first, doesn't this look like the packaging from Trace Luce's? I thought it was an eyeshadow palette. It is not. It is from Kayo and is a body scrubber. I do not remember selecting a body scrubber. It is not something I would use or select, but let's take a look. Oh, maybe because there was nothing else, and there's no place to put your hand I don't know, be kind of hard. Because it's silicone and has these little kind of soft peaks, I think it'd be really good to use to clean my brushes. All right, next item. What is this itty bitty teeny weeny box? All right, so this is from Grace and Stella, and it's called If Eyes Could Smile. It's an eye cream. All right, well, that sounds like me. I definitely would pick an eye cream. This is what the packaging looks like. It is 13 grams. It's just plastic. It does have one of these little pop top. Oh, I don't know if I'll pick up. Hopefully that's the color it's meant to be. My little astonishment is this is very looks like when something goes bad, kind of a weird soft brown, interesting color. Normally eye creams are white, so let's pretend that that's the color it's supposed to be, because there's like caffeine or coffee in it. Fingers crossed. It's a little thicker than I typically enjoy, but I'm gonna do some research, look up other people's videos to see, is it supposed to be white or this kind of fawn tan, put too much milk in your coffee kind of look. All right, next item. I recognize the packaging. This is something from Illamasqua, which I don't remember selecting. It's very tiny. It is gel sculpt. I still don't know what this is. It says this lightweight gel formulation combines a subtle shadow and a cooling sensation in an easy to blend formulation. Of what? It can be applied sheer or built to a fuller coverage for a more sculpted look. Is this a bronzer or contour? Let's take her out. Oh. What? Okay. Part of me really wants to swatch this, and the other part knows don't waste this. Did I not? Wait, I'm confused. This here is for a beautiful, dark-skinned woman. What is going? Wouldn't I have been able to select a shade and wouldn't I have picked fair? I'm going to have to do some investigation. I'm going to put this back in the box. All right, editing Julie here. Technically, I'm not editing, but I was editing. Did some research on this Illamasqua product, which at first I thought, holy cow, this is meant for someone with extremely dark skin tone. Not the case. So I'm popping in so I can do a swatch and a little mini try on. Can you even see it? It's right there. How deceiving when you see how dark this is. All right, I'm glad I did some research and I'm popping in to let you know. All right, so let's try some on my face and see if it even picks up. That's a really good contour shade. Not orange at all, not too gray or ashy. Let me blend it in before it sets up like that stripe. I like it. Okay, yes. Whew. If you ever see this product, don't be scared. Not sure why it's so dark like that, but I like it. All right, back to the regular programming. All right, next item. What do we have here? This is from BDB, Billion Dollar Brows, and it's a condition, color, and control brow kit. I have a feeling there was nothing else I liked or enjoyed because you all know I barely do my brows. What is in this box? Okay, so this is a brow boost. What is a brow boost? Oh, interesting. I thought it would have a spoolie and be like a brow gel, but it's a doe foot, so now I'm really confused. Here's a spoolie with a brow pencil. I don't know. Been wanting to get one. I don't know if this color, I'm kind of thinning over here. Maybe I'll give this to my mother. And then are you it's brow gel. Okay. Are you clear? Oh, yes. Why did I smell that? All right. So I will use the clear brow gel. What? Somebody leave me a comment of what this is all about with a doe foot. Okay. I'm super confused because I swear that's more than 6 items. Again, I think one might have been where you got 3. I don't know. It's usually choice 6. You can pick something where you get 3 kind of cheaper stuff. I'm assuming that's where this guy came from. But let's just recap everything that came in my box. I got an eye cream from Grace and Stella, a gel sculpt stick from Illamasqua, a body scrubber from Kayo, a brow kit from Billion Dollar Brows, a woven tray from Draper James, some ceramic guac and salsa containers from Dunn, and a set of glass canisters with wood lids from Material. What are your thoughts? This tray came in handy. I first was trying to hold it all. That was going nowhere. I'm going to list the MSRP total value of this box. Let me know your thoughts. Do you enjoy Fabfitfun? Do you still get it yourself? Are you over it? I was going to cancel, and guess what? I forgot. I signed up for annual, and so guess what? One more year of Fabfitfun. Anyways, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.